Hi, Captain Ed, Offshore Yacht Sales. Let's take a look at this 2004 26 Grady White 265 Express. Powered by twin 225 4-stroke Yamahas, this boat shows super clean. Loaded with every factory option when new, the 265 Grady has been a benchmark in performance in the Grady line. Pulpit, windlass, stainless steel rail, factory hardtop, lee outriggers. Nice sized cockpit for a 26-foot express boat. Interesting design. The fold-down transom allows the engines to lift out of the water for storage, but once the engines drop back down, you pick up another foot of cockpit space. Cockpit combing all around. Up on the helm deck to port is aft-facing seating, and to starboard an identical seat. Live well to port. Companion seat is single person. Centerline helm is a great location, perfect visibility for the helmsman. A nice electronics package, 2 Raymarine C80s, Raymarine Autopilot, VHF, ACR remote spotlight, little extra tackle storage on the port side below the companion seat. Starboard side is an aft bench seat with storage below. Down below is a nice weekend cabin. To port is a little compact galley, complete with microwave, sink, and even a portable stove. A nice queen-type berth forward. Refrigeration, AC/DC underneath. Full stand-up head with shower. This is a super clean example of the 265. See the full specs at www.offshoreyachtSales.com. I'm Captain Ed. Thanks for looking.